Okay, so I say, you're making noise.
Yeah, you are making noise.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so the first one is gonna be happy. So you have to say it like you're happy, okay? Go.
Hey,
No, you have to say it English.
Oh, you are so happy.
No. You have to say, you're making noise, but say it in a happy tone.
Yeah, you are happy.
No, so you're saying, you're making noise. But you say it like you're happy. So instead of saying, when people are saying, oh, I'm hungry, they say, oh, I'm hungry, they're happy. Oh, I'm hungry, they're sad.
Oh, you are making noise.
Yeah, but you have to say happy.
So.
Okay, ready? Say, oh, you're making noise.
Oh, you are happy.
Say, I'm making noise. But you're happy. So let me go first, okay? Sorry, I should have said that. Let me go first. You're making noise.
You are happy.
No, you're supposed to say you're making noise.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Who's going to say it first?
You.
Hey, you are making noise.
You have to say, hey.
Hey.
That's your happy one, okay? So my happy one is gonna be, you're making noise? Hey!
Hey, you are happy?
Okay, now you have to say it like you're sad.
I'm happy.
No, like you're sad.
Like my side?
Like you're sad. Sad. S-A-D.
Oh, you are sad.
No, so, you're making noise? Hey.
Hey, you are making noise? Hey.
Okay. So now you have to say like you're angry. Like you're mad.
Oh, you are angry?
No.
Just leave me alone. I don't understand what you are putting me to.
You're making noise? Hey! Your turn.
You are making noise? Why?
You are making noise? Why? Don't disturb Grandpa for us, Gary.
God have mercy upon us.
Let's go to the comment section and don't forget to follow me. First in his class between. What an incredible level of patience. You have patience. You need to in order to survive. True.
God have mercy.
You are making noise? Why? You should be a teacher with this type of patience. Me with ChatGPT. This is how it feels. Try to generate something with ChatGPT. Girl, I'm going to scroll past now. Wishing you all the best. You're happy. I have so many questions. No ask.
God have mercy upon us.